Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today I just want to let you know about this new Christmas coloring page that I just added to my website at drawsocute.com. So head over there and download this for free, and I really hope you have fun coloring this. This gingerbread man here I drew a while back, so if you want to draw him yourself, just Google Draw So Cute gingerbread man. But other than that, I'm just going to quickly show you how I color it, bringing it to life, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching me do that. And I'm just using your basic Crayola markers and color pencils. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this coloring page turned out and that this inspires you. Make sure to go to my website at drawsocute.com and download this for free. So before I go, cuties, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and hours of fun coloring this. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.